This is probably one of the most recognisable Spanish melodies, which is usually played on a guitar. But I thought it would be fun to teach you how to play it on a piano, as well as showing you certain techniques that will help you to recreate some of the rhythmic qualities you get on a guitar. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can play Malaguena, I think that's how you pronounce it, in 4 different ways. So even if you're a complete beginner, you'll be able to have a go. And so with that in mind, we're going to start off with the easiest way, which is by just playing the melody in the right hand. So the melody is based around 2 chords, the E major chord and an inversion of the A minor chord here. So to play the melody, you're going to break up that E major chord from the bottom to the top. So E, G sharp, B, and again E, G sharp, B, and then you go to the A, C, B, A, over onto the G, F, and then it repeats that again. And all together. So like I said before, this is normally played on a guitar. And if you think about a guitar, it's got many different strings and it's common to pluck and strum to create rhythm. And the first thing you can do to recreate that on the piano is in the left hand, you're going to play a single E here, just below middle C. And you're going to play that E in between every note of the melody in the right hand. Like this, I'll show you. Just alternating. Can you see? And it's just mimicking that technique of plucking a low string on the guitar whilst playing the melody higher up on a higher string. Often when played on the guitar, the chords are intertwined with the melody using a strumming pattern with the melody on top. So what we're going to do now is we're going to play chords in the left hand, the E major chord, just below middle C, and the A minor, so E at the bottom, A, then C above. But to, again, recreate that strumming feel, we're going to use a syncopated rhythm, and we're going to break the chord up, played from the bottom, and then the top 2, okay? Like this, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. That'd be the E major chord. So for the A minor, you're going to go, again, E at the bottom, 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. So then when you play the melody on top, I'll show it slowly first of all, 1 and 2 and 3 and. So it's together, left, right, left, right, left. And that's it. So then on to the A minor bit. So again, apart from the first beat where it's played together, it's alternating between the left and the right hands. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, then you may be interested in my range of online piano courses. I've got in-depth courses in blues, jazz, ear training, sight reading, as well as my ultimate piano chords course. So if you want to take a further look, I'll leave a link in the description below. Another technique in Spanish guitar is when they strum nice, full and rich chord at the start of a bar, like this. Zoom. And if you think about that motion, all the notes aren't being sounded at the same time. It's playing through them from the bottom to the top, the thick strings to the high ones, like that. That was my guitar impression. But on the piano, you can recreate that by arpeggiating the chords or doing like a spread chord like this. So what you can do, I'll show you two different ways to do it. The slightly easier one is you just take an E major chord down here and you're just going to play it from bottom to the top. Then you continue with that E alternating between the melody, like this. In the A minor, you can just do a A minor chord there, and again spread it. And then repeat the E above. But I think it sounds better when you change the order of these left-hand notes. That G sharp, it's a bit harder, but if you can, you're going to play that G sharp above there. Then you get this really nice voicing like this. And also on the A minor chord, you can also add the A above. Give that more of a strum sound with all those guitar strings. And then when you put the right hand back in, it sounds really cool, like this. Alright, I really hope you have fun with that. Do let me know in the comments if you want more videos like this one. And if you're in the mood for something else, then you may want to check out my video here, which will teach you how you can use chords and patterns to sound amazing on the piano, even if you're just a beginner. Don't forget to check out my online courses over on my website. I've been Arthur, and thanks for watching.